my name is River, and today we're going to be doing a look based on the Ishoku Hada Gyaru style. If you've known me for a while, you know that I love Gyaru fashion, especially just like general Japanese fashion. I'm super into it, but Gyaru will always have a place in my heart. I have done Ishoku Hada a couple times, but this time I want to go like full on, and I thought I would document the process and share with you if you want to do it too. What is Ishoku Hada Gyaru? So it is based on sort of like cosplay, crazy neon, colorful fashion, smashing together with Gyaru, so we're thinking like Ganguro, Mamba, all that kind of like craziness all bunched together to make a fabulous style. I feel like it gets a lot of influence from like club wear and aliens and that sort of like cyber style as well. It gives it that bit of like Gyaru sexy spin. So let's get started! I have already put on some concealer, I've put on some foundation, so now we will go in with the color. A big thing about Ishoku Hada Gyaru is the color of the skin. So they normally do just crazy out there colors like purple or pink or blue, and blue is actually the color that I'm gonna do. So I don't have any face paint or anything like that at the moment, and I am crazy, maybe don't follow this lead, maybe get face paint. I'm gonna use some liquid lip. For my skin color, I'm gonna be using the Kiki Liquid Lip by Sugar Pill. She's a little scratched, but there you go. It's really cute, it's a really pretty color. But you can honestly do whatever color you want. I also have a sponge ready to go. I've already cleaned it and it's a little bit full of water. This is the one I use for crazy colors, so it doesn't matter what I put on. With liquid lip, especially this one, they do dry fairly quick, so make sure you are blending as soon as that's on your skin. Push the old hair out the way. Not that it isn't already blue anyway, but... Right, let's go in. I would also say before doing this, make sure that you exfoliate and moisturize. Obviously you'll get the best coverage that way, but it will be easier to clean off your skin as well. I look crazy right now. This liquid lip does have some sparkle and shimmer to it, so it kind of makes it look a little patchy. I do have some really good coverage, I think, but I will go in and touch up any spots that need it. Now I am gonna try and set it a little bit with some eyeshadow, and I'll be using eyeshadow as like the contour and highlight as well. I'm gonna go in with a darker blue now that I've kind of gone over the whole face a little bit with some eyeshadow. Try and do some contour. I'll also say that I'm not gonna do my ears just because I think the wig will cover them anyway. Going in with a dark blue again. I'm going to be doing the signature sort of Gyaru nose contour. Next, I'm going to go in with some highlighter. Thankfully, I've got like all these sort of like blue shades, which I think will go quite well. Let's have a look. Oh, they're actually a bit darker than I thought they would be, but very shiny. Put a little white powder on the cheek, just on the very top, just to sort of give that Gyaru vibe. Right, I'm gonna go in with the white liquid lip. Gonna use a little brush and try and do my nose stripe. And blend it out at the top. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. I'm gonna go with maybe like purple, dark blue shade. Yeah, I've got this crazy pigmented purple in this Revolution palette, so let's do that. So now we've got this dark purple brow. I'm gonna go back in with the liquid lip and a little brush, and I'm just gonna put a bit of that under the brow. also go over your liquid lip with some white shadow, just so it's super pigmented and it stays. Right, next I'm going to do the eyeshadow. I was thinking of going in with some more like pinky shades because at the moment this is kind of going along with my wig with the blue and the purple, but there's also pink in there. So I think I'll be using some of these super flashy hot pink color. Right, going in with one of the hottest pinks that I have. Looks so dull compared to this face. Okay, so I've basically covered the whole lid in this hot pink. Get rid of some of that fallout. Go ahead and do the eyeliner now. I'm using the ColourPop one. The Gyaru eye makeup usually goes droopy instead of like the high sort of shape. I'm gonna go back in with a dark blue just so I can sort of draw the sort of shape that I want my eye to be. Alright, now that I've got a bit of a shape going on, I'm gonna go in with the liner and I'm gonna go here. We've got a rough shape like this. Now don't worry if you fudge it up a little bit, we can always use some liquid lipstick, kind of go over and touch it up, use some eyeshadow, we'll get there. Putting a lighter color right here to give that sort of eye bag effect. So the eyeliner doesn't look too harsh. I am gonna blend it a little bit with some black eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna give myself like a purpley pink kind of tinted lip. See how this one looks. Wow. Also gonna use my new Animal Crossing palettes to use the really sparkly shades. These ones here. Oh, excuse my blue hands. And I'm gonna take a little brush again, take some of that little glitter up, and put it right under my eye. Yeah, that makes it really pop. I put a tiny little bit of that white liquid lip just on the little tear duct area. I'm gonna use the glitter from the Isabelle one, which is like a pink, just for my lids. Pop on some mascara. I'm just gonna do that on my top lashes and maybe just the inner lash here. And with that, we move on to false lashes. Of course, we need some bottom lashes, because what's Gyaru without bottom lashes? And once those lashes are on, you can start touching up your eyeliner or eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna pop on a little bit of blush as well. So the makeup is pretty much there. I'm just gonna eyelash glue on some gem. Bam! Right, now let's swap over to the wig and the other outfit. Ta-da! So this is my finished look. I didn't go all the way down on my neck, so I just went with this crazy colorful jumper. I've actually got this on my Depop, so I'm just throwing it on for this look. I've got my 6% Doki Doki hair clips in. I've just gone for like crazy space, colorful, yeah. I wish this look was a little more like socially acceptable. I really like it. I feel so vibrant. I look like an alien. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Is it for you? Is it a little too extreme? And let me know if you ever try something like this. I will have another Japanese fashion tutorial coming out really soon, so look out for that. Feel free to subscribe or whatever. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!